order to make a great tasting cappuccino, you have to make sure that you steam the milk properly. We're just gonna fill up the pitcher halfway through because it's gonna expand in the steaming process. Before you start steaming, it's very important to open the valve to the steam wand because there's gonna be residue water in the steam wand. Then you place the steam wand a little bit beneath the surface of the milk to heat up the milk. Then you want to let a little bit of air in, and you want to make sure that the milk is swirling and you're slowly moving the pitcher down. Don't let too much air in because otherwise it will tend to bubble. And the moment it starts feeling warm on your hand, that's when you should stop. As you can see, the milk has expanded a lot, and there are a few bubbles here that you want to get rid of. The best way to do that is to tap the milk a little bit down on your table. There you go. The milk should always look very tight without any bubbles and firm.